How to stop data sharing on Android. Open the settings on your device. Find the option for Google and tap on it. Tap on the option All Services. Scroll down. Find the section for Privacy and Security. Tap on the option Uses and Diagnostics. Once you do that, toggle off this button for Uses and Diagnostics. Now Android device will not automatically send the diagnostics device and app uses data to Google. Go back. Tap on the option Personalize using shared data. You can see various apps that have these permissions. Toggle the button off right next to those apps. Go back. Tap on the option Ads. Scroll down. Tap on the option Reset Advertising ID. Tap on the option Confirm. Once the advertising ID is reset, your data sharing will be stopped to some extent. Go back. Go back to the main settings. Find the option for privacy over here. Tap on it. Tap on the option Permission Manager. You'll be able to see various permissions allowed to various apps. Find the sensitive permissions like location, microphone, camera, etc. Tap on either of the permission. For example, I'm going to tap on the option for location. See the apps that are allowed to use this permission. Tap on the app that you think does not need your location permission. Once you do that, tap on the option Don't Allow. Go back. Turn off the permission for microphone and camera as well. Once you do that, the data sharing will be stopped to some extent. Like this, you can stop data sharing on Android phone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.